If you have a challenge appraisal, your brain kicks into gear with endorphins and epinephrine, which actually motivates us, energizes us, provides us with a little bit of that lean in, I want to go towards this, I'm excited mentality. Every single mission starts with a clear destination. That is the vision, and again, that's what unites people, that's what fires people up, that's what inspires action, motivates, etc. And then usually what unfolds from that is a plan. This is how we're going to do that. This is how we're going to address it. These are the stops along the way in order to achieve that destination or that mission. I was very inspired by a book I read many years ago called Rethinking Positive Thinking. The researcher named Gabrielle Oettingen had done a lot of research, and I thought it was interesting, her perspective, because what she said essentially was, we know a ton about goal setting, right? Having a mission, a vision, we know seemingly all there is to know about that. The research is robust, it's extensive, and it's been around for a long time, and in honesty, it hasn't changed all that much. So we know a ton about it, so why don't more teams or companies actually achieve that outcome or that destination? Why? I work on the engine behind the gears, okay? Making sure that this thing is primed and ready to rock and roll so that the Ferrari actually gets off the driveway. But your perspective on that will determine whether your mind and body actually prepare you to excel and give you the best chance of delivering, or inhibit your performance.
My job is to prepare athletes for those moments, to make sure that their mind is the one that's driving their best performance.